So there's a feature in your iPhone called mirror front camera. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Right here in settings, you go to camera. If you scroll down, there it is there, mirror front camera. Notice I have that turned on. Now let's see what happens with the orientation, specifically any words that are in your view, in the view when you're using mirror front camera. So I'm going to come out of this. Now I'm going to take an image. So I'm going to go to the camera. I'm going to flip it over so I'm using the front camera, and notice the word Wi-Fi. It's backwards. So when I'm viewing it with mirror the front camera enabled, the words are backwards. Now when I take the picture and I look at the picture, the words are backwards. So I'm going to delete that. Now let's go back into settings, and in settings, go to camera, and let's turn off mirror front camera. I just turned it off. Now I'm going to come out of settings. I'm going to go back to my camera. My selfie camera is on. Look, these words look backwards here. But when I take the picture, look what happens. Now, when I save the image, the words are in the right orientation. The image is in the right orientation for the image I saved. But I'm not mirroring the front camera. Now, let's do another test. Let's go to camera, and let's do a video. So I'm doing a video, and I'm going to hit record. Now I'm recording a video. And look, Wi-Fi is backwards in this video. But when I save the video, let's go look at the video now. Wi-Fi is correct because I have turned off mirror front camera. So let's turn on mirror front camera. I'm going to go to settings. I'm in camera still. There it is right there, mirror front camera. Let's turn that on. Let's come out. Now let's go do another video. Video, I'm using the front camera. Notice the words are backwards right here. Notice the words are backwards. When I'm looking at the screen, I'm going to hit record, and I'm recording this. Now remember, I turned on mirror front camera. So when I save this, now let's go look at it, and it's backwards. So how do I fix this? Whether it's an image or a video, the steps are the same. You click on the three lines at the bottom, you click on crop, then in the upper left-hand corner, you'll notice there's an icon with two little triangles and an arrow above it. I flipped it, and look, I hit done. I have flipped the video so the words Wi-Fi and the orientation of the scene is correct for the video. Mirror front camera is great when you want to look at the camera while you're doing makeup or whatever it is. However, if the words in your scene that you save, whether it's an image or a video, if the words are backwards, view the image, view the video, hit the three lines, hit crop, and flip it, and then hit done. I'm Teddy. I'm all about helping you get value out of using your iPhone, and I hope this is helpful for you.